Hello, Dr. James Bogash, expert in health and longevity, and today we're going to talk about water, or specifically alkaline water. And there's been quite a bit of push over the years, not so much lately, but definitely years ago, about buying devices that will alkalinize your water, or you can buy them in a plastic water bottle. Generally, those waters will be higher in calcium, magnesium, potassium. Those are the minerals that help make something more alkaline. It's like citrus is generally considered acidic, but because it's higher in those minerals, it's an alkaline thing. But here's the deal. And then RO systems, we're concerned that it takes some of those minerals out. But if you are relying on your water to get minerals, we've got bigger conversations to be had than whether or not your water is going to provide that inkling of calcium, magnesium, potassium. We need to be working on your diet instead of where you're getting your water from.